Unlocking English, Mastering the Passive Voice. Hello, language learners. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to dive into an exciting topic in English grammar, the passive voice. You may be wondering when and why we use this. It's a fantastic tool that allows you to add diversity to your sentences, and today we'll unravel its many uses. Before we discuss when to use the passive voice, it's important to understand what it is. The passive voice is a grammatical construction where the object of a sentence becomes the subject. It emphasizes the action and the object rather than who performed the action. For example, the cake was eaten by John, instead of John ate the cake. Now that we've understood what the passive voice is, let's get into when to use it. The passive voice is mainly used in the following scenarios. 1. The doer is unknown, irrelevant, or obvious. When we don't know or care who did the action, we often use the passive voice. For example, the window was broken. We don't know who broke it, and the important thing is that the window is broken. 2. Emphasize the action or the receiver. If you want to highlight the action itself or the receiver of the action rather than who did it, you use the passive voice. For example, the Mona Lisa was painted by Leonardo da Vinci, emphasizes the painting, not Leonardo. 3. Maintain formality or objectivity. In academic, scientific, and formal writing, passive voice is often used to maintain an objective tone. For example, a survey was conducted to gather the data, instead of, we conducted a survey to gather the data. 4. Use of impersonal expressions. Passive voice is commonly used with impersonal expressions like, it is said, it is believed, etc. For instance, it is said that he is the best player in the team. Remember, it's not about right or wrong, but about choosing the right tool to deliver your message effectively. And that's a wrap on when to use the passive voice. It's a powerful tool to have in your English language arsenal. We hope this video has been helpful in giving you a better grasp of the passive voice usage. Stay tuned for our next lesson where we'll practice using passive voice in different contexts. Until then, keep practicing and stay curious.